Today, Microsoft is redefining what AI can do on its own, and developers everywhere need to pay attention. I'm Maya Chen. This is AI Now, your daily top 5 in artificial intelligence. Let's count it down. Coming in at number 5, Anthropic's Claude AI hit a rough patch early Monday morning. According to TechRadar, a partial outage struck around 2:10 a.m. Eastern, affecting both Claude Code and the main chat interface. Users reported the chatbot hanging indefinitely, with slow responses plaguing multiple models, including the latest Opus 4.6 and Sonnet 4.6 releases. Now here's why this matters beyond just Monday frustration. As developers and enterprises lean harder on Claude for mission-critical workflows, this outage exposes a real vulnerability, single point of failure risk. When your entire pipeline depends on one AI provider, downtime isn't just annoying, it's expensive. But things get bigger. Here's number 4. At number 4, mark your calendars because the Colorado AI Act goes into enforcement on June 30th, 2026. Cooley LLP reports this makes Colorado the first U.S. state with a comprehensive law targeting high-risk AI systems. We're talking about AI used in hiring, lending, healthcare decisions, anywhere automated systems significantly impact people's lives. But here's the twist. Washington isn't sitting idle. The White House is actively pushing to preempt state regulations with a national framework, setting up a potential federal versus state showdown. The outcome here could reshape compliance requirements for every AI company operating in America. Whether we get 50 different rulebooks or one federal standard hangs in the balance. Number 3 is where things get interesting. Number 3 tonight is absolutely massive. Crunchbase News confirms Anthropic just closed a jaw-dropping $65 billion Series H funding round, pushing its valuation to $965 billion. That's billion with a B, and we're talking near trillion territory now. Altimeter Capital, Dragoneer, Green Oaks, and Sequoia Capital led the round, with heavyweights like GIC, Coatue, and D1 Capital Partners joining in. For context, this is the second largest private funding round in history, trailing only OpenAI's $122 billion raise. The AI arms race isn't slowing down, it's accelerating. Anthropic now has the war chest to compete directly with OpenAI and Google at the highest level. We're down to the top 2. Here's what took the number 2 spot. In at number 2, Google just flipped the script on its own AI lineup. LLM Stats reports the Gemini 3.5 Flash hit general availability with what Google calls frontier-level intelligence at 4 times the speed of comparable models. Priced at just $1.50 per million input tokens and $9 per million output tokens, it offers a million-token context window. Here's the kicker. Flash now beats Gemini 3.1 Pro on coding and agentic benchmarks. That's the smaller, cheaper model outperforming its bigger sibling. Google is clearly betting that speed and cost efficiency matter more than raw benchmark scores. For developers, this means premium AI capability without premium prices. And now, the biggest AI story of the day. The number 1 story today comes from San Francisco, where Microsoft Build 2026 is underway. According to Notebookcheck and Business Standard, Satya Nadella's keynote delivered exactly what the industry anticipated, and then some. The Microsoft Agent Framework is now generally available, giving developers tools to build AI that doesn't just assist, but actually executes entire workflows autonomously. Microsoft also unveiled MAI, their new in-house reasoning models, plus Azure AI Foundry updates that now include Anthropic Claude support. GitHub Copilot gets major agentic coding enhancements too. The message from Redmond is crystal clear. 2026 is when AI transitions from helpful assistant to autonomous agent. We're not talking about chatbots anymore. We're talking about AI that handles complex multi-step tasks independently. The developer workflow is about to change forever. That's your AI Now Top 5 for June 2, 2026. If any of these stories surprised you, drop it in the comments. Like and subscribe if AI news is your thing. I'll see you tomorrow.